Renka, yes, that is my name. I am from Nirekada in Koppal district. I was born into a poor family. I used to earn my living by doing land work. I have one brother and three sisters. One sister married and I am supporting my family now. H3 Foundation has given me the adequate training to stand on my own foot. I have gained all the skills required to be an independent woman. My sister is handicapped and she is very happy for me.
ಇವಾಗ ಆಕೆ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ರಿ, ಕಲ್ತಕ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ನೇ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವಾಗ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ತನ್ನ ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಾಳ, ತನ್ನ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ತಾನು ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಸಲ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಂತೋಷ ತಂದೈತಿ.
My mother has been looking after me all these years and I feel it time for me to look after her. My younger brothers used to scold me a lot, but now he respect and he listen to me. Last rain my house fell down. I wish to rebuild it and provide a safe place for my family to live. I am happy here working and my dream will come true.